Hello, my name is Bertram. I'm the Makerspace Manager and Product Designer at Festival Startup House in Kigali. So we opened about 2 months ago and we've run our first workshop on aquaponics. So we plan to provide 3 types of services. One being our workshops and trainings. We have aquaponics, the next one's going to be smart irrigation. Make sure you apply if you're interested in the agri-tech area. And we'll also be training in mechatronics, textiles, design thinking, design practice, and furthermore. We also have an innovation scheme where innovators, inventors, thinkers, startups, anyone can apply with their idea. And we basically give you a kind of bootcamp sessions behind designing your product, and allow you to have access to our digital fabrication machines and hand tools, and we give you consulting of actually how to develop your product to get from idea to prototype. We also run our micro factory where we can develop for more commercial use, we can develop products, we can develop merchandise, and furthermore. Please come along, make sure you apply, you're more than welcome to come anytime. Thank you very much.